Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Tech Infosys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can check your recent actions on your Telegram's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To check recent actions on your Telegram's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Telegram application on your device. The home page of Telegram will be displayed on the screen. Click on any message from the list, and once you do that, click on your friend or your group's name. On the next page, tap on pen icon at the top right corner of the page. Now to check your recent actions, click on recent actions option. The recent action that you have done will be displayed on the screen. This is how you can check your recent actions on your Telegram's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for further updates. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, just go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down any suggestions or improvements to be made to our channel by commenting on the comment box. We will be looking forward to upload more contents and tutorials on the upcoming video for your convenience. Thank you so much for watching.